welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. You are learning in class first subject English. Today we are going to learn new grammar topic, that is use of and. First of all, let us discuss what will you use to join or to paste broken cup or a torn page. Yes, right. We can use Fevicol, Fevikwik, Fevistick or glue to paste it. It means if we want to join two different things, we can use Fevicol or glue. In the same way, in English, if we want to join two different words or two different sentences, we can use and. It means and works as a glue. So first of all, let us see how to use and to join two different words. Here you can see red, yellow. These are two different words. When we want to join two different words, just we have to put and word in between those two words. Here comma is there that we have to replace with and. Means if there is comma in between two words, we have to remove that comma. At the place of comma there will be and after that next word. As we have done here, red, yellow, it has become red and yellow. In the same way, let us see some more words. Here up, down, up and down, left, and right, black, black and white. Next, read, read and write, shoes, shoes and socks. So like this, it is very simple. When we want to join two words with and, just we have to put and word in between two words. Now let us learn how to join two different sentences by using and. When both the sentences are completely different, if there is nothing similar in both the sentences, in such situation, how to join? Let us see one example. Here I have taken one example. See, Aditi has a pen. Full stop means first sentence completed here. She has a pencil. Both the sentences are totally different. In first sentence, we are talking about Aditi. In second sentence, we are talking about Shri. In first sentence, Aditi has pen. Second sentence, Shri has pencils. Means whatever things they have, they are also different. Means that sentences are completely different. In such situation, what we have to do? First of all, we can join these two sentences just by replacing the full stop between two sentences with and. It means you can see here. After first sentence, Aditi has a pen. After this sentence, there is one full stop. You have to just remove that full stop, and at the place of full stop, you can write A, N, D, and this word, and you can join next word there. Means our sentence will become like Aditi has a pen and Shri has a pencil. Means there is not more change. Two different, completely different sentences. If we want to join, just remove the full stop, put and word there and write again next sentence. In this way, we can join two different sentences. Okay, let us see next sentence. Rani is going to school. Raju is playing in the park. As per the rule, remove the full stop which is there after school. Put and word there and again write the next sentence. So sentence will become Rani is going to school and Raju is playing in the park. Let us see next example. Saurabh has a ball. Gauri has a doll. Both the person are different. Both the toys are different. Completely sentences are different. So as per the rule, after ball, full stop is there. That full stop we have to remove. And at the place of full stop, we will take and. So our sentence will become like Saurabh has a ball and Gauri has a doll. So like this, we can join two different sentences with the help of and. So dear student, I hope your idea about the use of and to join two different words and two different sentences is clear here. In next video, we will learn how to join two different sentences which are not totally different, in which nouns are same. So let us meet in next video. Till then, bye students. Have a nice day.